Hey everybody, welcome to the Waldock Way. I'm Jessica, and today's video is going to be about snail mail. So I don't know about you, but there is just something so exciting about opening the mailbox to an actual letter. I mean, not like a bill, but like an actual letter. It is as exciting as Christmas morning. And about a month ago on my Instagram, I did a week-long feature where I featured a different letter subscription every day. Since then, I have found a few more subscription letters, and so what I wanted to do was do a video where I could share each one of these amazing letters with you guys and kind of tell you a little bit about them. That way, you would have one video to reference all of the letters that you could use in your homeschool. So I'm going to go ahead and turn you around, and I'm going to open each one of these beautiful letters and tell you about them while I show you the letter. That way, you can make an informed decision on which one might be best for your upcoming homeschool year. Our first letter is Charm Post. These are letters from Louise. Join Louise, a spunky and adventurous wizard who's journeying around the globe in search of the world's most mythical lands. At every stop, she writes a letter telling you all about her magical adventures, from the hidden chambers of the pyramids to the lost city of El Dorado. Our next letter is Letters from Afar. Isabel is traveling the globe and exploring the most spectacular destinations our world has to offer. At every stop, she writes you a letter to tell you all about it. From the souks of Morocco to exploring castles in Germany to visiting elephants in Thailand, follow along on an unforgettable tale told through letters in the mail. Our next letter is Miss Maisy's Tasty Treats. Join Miss Maisy on her culinary travels as she experiences marvels in different places each month. Her adventures are the perfect way to sample classic dishes with diverse roots. From a soul-warming dinner in Scotland to a firework-filled New Year's Eve celebration in China. Packed with friends, adventure, and meals to remember, each hand-illustrated letter arrives with recipe cards so you can create your own feast at home. Miss Maisy's travels a refreshing and unique way to learn about culture and foods from around the world. Next up is Post from the Past, which brings history to life. Each month, you will receive a letter from a different historical figure who has made an outstanding contribution to the world. This person could be a scientist, an author, an artist, or an inventor, just to name a few. You will learn the stories of people from the past through a living method rather than memorizing dates from a dry textbook. You will also receive a small photograph of each historical figure with your letter. Plus, as a member, you will also receive free digital downloads each month to complement your letters. Our next letter is Heritage Letter. Imagine receiving a new letter each month from someone significant from America's great past. An explorer, a leader, a statesman, a pioneer, an inventor, a scientist, a doctor, a naturalist, an author, an artist, a hero, a heroine, or a legend. The Heritage Letter is an engaging, fresh way to learn about America's history in a living, authentic way. Each month you will receive a letter, a photo fact card, as well as an artifact. Our next letter is Wild Child Chronicles. Join Evie and Alexander, two delightful children growing up on a farm in rural Vermont, for a year of outdoor adventures. Each month, you will receive a whimsical letter that is delightfully illustrated and handwritten from the children delivered right to your door, addressed to you. All the fun they have outside, the discoveries they make, the things they learn, and more, written in each letter and sent each month straight to your mailbox. Our next letter is Writings from the Wild. Discover the wonder of the wild world. Each month you will meet a new animal and they will write you all about themselves. You will learn about different types of animals living in different habitats, from ocean to savanna to jungle to mountain. When you subscribe, you will receive a handcrafted letter in the mail every month and access to a downloadable activity sheet. The last letter I have is Polar Penpal. This letter is Arctic learning adventures without leaving home. Yes, they really live in the north. Learn what life in the Arctic is really like, not from boring textbooks and outdated resources, but from people who actually live here, experience the culture, and embrace it. Through Polar Penpal, you now have a personal connection with the Arctic. Enjoy the Arctic without the frostbite.